I want y'all to look at this. This is literally what it looks like when you're working your ass off, if you know what I'm saying. Or he had tacos for lunch, and they hitting hard right now. This is crop dust to that its finest. Oh my God, it's awful. This appears to be a real dusty situation. Hate to be standing underneath him or behind him. This appears to be a real blast. I just wish I had this kind of genius in my mind. I would never be able to think of something like this. I'm glad to see people out there who's got brains like that. I just wish I was one of them. I'm glad to see what you're doing, big guy. Love your work. Keep up.